Continuing with some more stoichiometry calculations. So using your mole map, we're going to do this question, number 8. So we're being asked for grams of lithium, which means we're going to end over here. And we're starting with 2.5 moles of phosphoric acid, so we're here. So it's going to be 2 steps. So, as always, start with your first substance that you're given over 1. Then I'm going to do my mole-mole ratio, 2 moles of phosphoric acid. And I'm going to lithium. This is lithium. So 6 moles of lithium. So I'm right here. Now I'm going to do the molar mass and get to grams. So on the periodic table, lithium is 6.94 grams for every 1 mole. So moles of acid, moles of lithium cancel, and then we're left with grams. And with 2 significant figures, we should get 52 grams. Next one, we're going to start with 17.95 grams of lithium. And we want to know, so we're starting with lithium, and we're going to figure out how many grams of lithium phosphate. So we're really here. We're going to have to go to moles of lithium, do a mole, and then go to grams of lithium phosphate. So first step, just using the molar mass on the periodic table for lithium. There's that many grams in 1 mole. And then now I'm ready to do my mole. So I'm going to put the 6 moles of lithium down here. So that cancels. And then I'm going to put the lithium phosphate, is the one I'm trying to go to, on the top. So I'm right here. And then now I'm going to do molar mass of lithium phosphate to get to grams. So periodic table, I would look up lithium and multiply it by 3, phosphorus, and then oxygen times 4. And when I do that, I get 115.79 grams of lithium phosphate per mole. So you can see the grams go, the moles go, the moles go. You're left with grams. And with 4 significant figures, it should be 99.80 grams. One more problem. It's similar. So this problem, we're going to go from 22.2 grams of lithium phosphate and we want to know the grams of phosphoric acid. So lithium phosphate, phosphoric acid, starting here at grams, going to go to mole, going to go mole, and then I'm going to end with grams of phosphoric. So first step is to get these grams into moles. So molar mass of lithium phosphate is 115.79 per 1 mole. So that gets me to moles of lithium phosphate. Then I'm going to do my mole and convert it over to phosphoric. Phosphoric, there's 2 moles of phosphoric for every, which one am I on? 2 moles of lithium phosphate. So I'm right here. And then one more step. I want to go to grams of the phosphoric acid. So molar mass, if I take, 1.01 times 3 plus 30.97 plus 4 times 16 and add, I'll get 98 grams of phosphoric per 1 mole. So when I calculate that on my calculator, I'm going to do 22.2 times 1 divided by 115.79 times 2 divided by 2 times 98 divided by 1, and then enter. So I get 18.8 grams of phosphoric.